Christmas came, and Mrs. LDS Prepper is very excited to show you her new cheese press that she uses in making her almond milk.
Hey, yeah, I'm real excited about this. My daughter gave this to me. She said she had found a gift that I didn't know I needed. So when Christmas came, I was real excited to see what it is that she got for me. To learn how to make the almond milk, to get that recipe, watch the previous video on this channel. I poured the almond milk into the nut bag that's inside the middle tank, and I just let the milk drain into a 4-cup glass measuring cup down here in the drawer. So this setup is it's convenient. So I'm going to start the press. It's pretty much done draining everything that it's going to drain. So we're going to start squeezing it out and see how much more almond milk we can get. So before doing it by hand, I'd get just a little over 4 cups, not a whole lot more over 4 cups, but I get an extra ½ cup, I think, by doing it this way. And doing it by hand, you do get a little of the almond pulp in the milk. This is real clean. You don't get any of the pulp. So doing it by hand was a workout, and the muscles in my hand actually got a little sore from doing that. Okay, I'm done pressing now. I've turned this as much as I can turn it. I'll just get the residual out. I discovered that by putting the whole bag underneath the press is a whole lot better than keeping part of it up on top. One of the good things about this is it's not electric. So come EMP or power outage, we'll still be making our almond milk. Real happy with this. So I'm just going to pour it into this glass storage jar, this pitcher, put it in the fridge, let it chill, and we're good to go. So this glass jar, it's a 39-ounce glass pitcher. It's just perfect for one batch of almond milk. So I've been converting my kitchen from plasticware to glassware to lessen my exposure to the petrochemicals, which can cause hormone imbalances and disruptions to your health. Okay, there you go. I recommend you give this cheese press a try if you're looking for an easy way to make almond milk. And this is Mrs. LDS Prepper. It's another healthy and happy day on the Urban Homestead.